Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code installed. This is essential. Once done, install the C# extension in VS Code so language services and debugging work. Next, create a project folder and open it in VS Code, then run .NET New Console to generate a minimal app. This puts program, CS, and project files in place. Make sure you can run .NET version to confirm the SDK. That prevents later surprises. Next, build and execute. Open the integrated terminal and run .NET build to compile, then .NET run to execute. You'll see console output immediately. To debug, open the run view and add a launch. JSON, choose NET Core and confirm the program and args. Once you start debugging, VS Code uses Omnisharp for IntelliSense and breakpoints, so make sure Omnisharp initialized with no errors. If build tools mismatch, change target framework in the CSPRA. To finish, run .NET Restore, Rebuild, and then use .NET Run or the VS Code debugger to verify behavior. This completes the basic workflow. If something goes wrong, check the Output and Problems panels for clear error lines and make sure target framework matches your installed SDK. A common fix is updating the SDK or editing the CSPROJ, then rebuilding. If debugger or IntelliSense still misbehaves, reload the VS Code window or restart Omnisharp. That resolves most extensions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.